Get started trusting yourself and accessing your intuitive gifts. You now understand the role that self-love and self-trust play in unlocking your intuitive abilities. Let's talk about what actions you can start today in order to develop your intuition. Getting started with trusting yourself and accessing your intuitive gifts involves a combination of self-awareness, practice, and openness to exploring your inner wisdom. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you begin. Cultivate self-awareness. Take time to reflect on your thoughts, feelings, and past experiences. Identify any self-doubt or negative beliefs that may be hindering your self-trust. Acknowledge your strengths, accomplishments, and moments when you followed your intuition successfully. Practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with kindness and understanding, especially when facing challenges or setbacks. Replace self-criticism with self-compassionate thoughts and affirmations. Embrace mistakes as learning opportunities rather than as reflections of your worth. Quiet your mind. Engage in meditation or mindfulness practices to calm your mind and create a receptive space for intuitive insights. Practice deep breathing and relaxation techniques to reduce mental chatter and distractions. Listen to your instincts and take actions based on them. Pay attention to subtle gut feelings, inner nudges, and sudden insights. Trust the initial impressions that arise before logic and rational analysis kick in. Start with small decisions and see how your intuitive responses align with outcomes. Set intentions. Before meditation or quiet reflection, set an intention to receive intuitive guidance. Ask specific questions or seek clarity on particular issues you're facing. To surrender, developing self-trust and accessing intuitive gifts takes time and practice. Be patient with yourself and avoid becoming discouraged by any perceived setbacks. Remember that everyone's journey with intuition and self-trust is unique. Allow yourself to explore and embrace your intuitive experiences without judgment. Over time, as you integrate these practices into your life, you'll likely notice an increased ability to trust yourself and access your intuitive gifts more readily. You have now completed all of the Self-Trust to Unlock Intuition mini-course videos. Proceed to begin the 15 Days of Self-Trust Challenge.